Firebugs, top tips on Tuesdays again, and this week it's a quick tip on how to get more downward pressure on your hand drill if you're struggling with your hand drill. One way is to use thumb loops, a strap that goes over a slot at the end of your spindle, and you pull down on 2 thumb loops. But here's another different way. I showed it before, but I guess a lot of you want to see this, and it's to use a mouthpiece pressure brace like you'd use with an Eskimo strap drill, and it's just got a divot there, that you can hold with a cushion bit in your teeth. And this is going to be what we're going to use to assist the hand drill to get the extra pressure. So I'll spin you around and we'll get to it. So there you go, guys, easy as that, really does give you quite a bit of extra downward pressure. It makes it a whole lot easier, you got a good ember in a little time with a little effort. Some people say it's cheating, but I don't think there's any such thing as cheating as long as you get the end result. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you later.